So we had a client come in. They are running a large-scale program off the back of COVID. Disruption it caused to their core business was quite severe and felt throughout the organisation, so they were forced to diversify, look around and see how they could modernise their operations and also their customer value proposition. Part of that, they're looking at the platform technology build. They're looking at how they modernise the engagement with their clients and their vendors, and that program has a lot going on. It's been growing within the business. Within that program, a lot of teams coming together from different parts of the business, and so they were trying to understand best ways of working. So it was a ways of working sort of team development workshop, understanding what's currently the situation, where they need to go to, and what sort of behaviours and mindsets they need to do to sort of do that. So what are some more practical things around strategy and tactical development? And on the flip side of that, we also balanced out people activities, understanding teams, understanding behavioural styles. What's the dynamic of the team, what's the breakdown of the team, the balance in terms of personalities, and how does that collectively drive how the team likes to operate? So understanding of self, understanding of other. We looked at accountability, so in order to drive accountability, especially in such a functional design and org structure, working across that is very difficult, and people tend to stop at the boundaries of what they are comfortable with and what they feel is going to benefit them in terms of reward and sort of promotions, etc. So helping them understand the benefits of accountability across functions, why that's important from a program perspective, and also what the program, how that's also from a program perspective going to help them within their functions.